Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your GPU and driver are compatible. Check the vendor info and driver version now. Next, create a dedicated Anaconda environment so libraries won't conflict. Once done, install Python 3.9 in that env and prefer Conda Forge or the vendor's Conda channels for CUDA packages. Make sure to note the exact CUDA toolkit version you need because frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch require specific matches. Don't skip verifying driver CUDA compatibility before proceeding. You now activate the environment and install the GPU-accelerated framework you'll use. For example, install PyTorch with a matching CUDA toolkit via the PyTorch channel. Then install Jupyter Lab and ipykernel so you can run notebooks inside this environment. Once installed, register the kernel so Jupyter shows your GPU env as an option. Make sure to restart the shell or refresh your environment so path changes take effect. This ensures notebooks load the exact GPU-enabled packages you install. You finish by launching Jupyter Lab, selecting the GPU env kernel, and running a simple GPU check like import torch. CUDA is available. If true, run a small tensor on the device to confirm execution. If you see no GPU, run NVIDIA SMI to confirm the driver and device are visible. If problems persist, make sure the CUDA toolkit version matches your framework, reinstall or update the GPU driver, and confirm the Conda env paths are active. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.